Hello and good morning. It's Paul from Fat Guy Productions. Today we're coming to you from the garage workshop area, and we're going to be doing a coin ring. Now, if you've looked at my YouTube channel before, you've seen some videos of me doing this process where I just it's a walkthrough. I don't really describe what I'm doing. But in today's video, I'm going to talk to you as I go through it and tell you exactly what I'm doing as I make this ring out of a United States Morgan silver dollar. So with no further ado, let's get to the presses and let's make a coin ring. The process begins by choosing a coin. In this case, I'll be using a United States Morgan silver dollar. Next, I'll punch a hole in the center of the coin. To do this, I use a special self-centering die. This is a crucial phase, as the size of the hole determines the size of the sidewalls of the ring. To make the metal malleable, I'll anneal it. I begin by putting a Sharpie mark on the coin. As this disappears under the heat, that will tell me that the coin has been heated enough and prevent me from overheating it and ruining the coin. Next, I'll deburr the cut edge. This helps remove microfractures and prevents the coin from splitting. If the coin were to split during the process, it is naturally ruined. Now I take the coin to a specialized folding die. On this first fold, the toughest of all the folds, I'll use a stainless steel cone. As I continue to work the coin, I'll continually file the cut edge to prevent microfractures from ruining my work. I'll also constantly repeat the annealing process to keep the metal soft. As I work with the coin, it will harden back up again. Throughout the process, I may anneal as many as 10 times. After the initial fold, I'll switch to a series of Delrin cones to continue folding the coin. These cones are hard enough to help fold the coin, but soft enough that if they come in contact with the coin's artwork, it won't obliterate it. Now I'll switch to a specialized technique called the Swedish Rap. This technique will help me square up the sides. This technique can also help me get near to my target size. I continue going between softening the edges, annealing the coin, and running the ring through the Swedish Rap die until I get a satisfactory result. The ring is looking great now. I'm still off of my target size, so I will begin to use a series of reduction dies to bring the ring down to its final size and to give the ring a slight bulge, or what we call a fat tire look. I begin by lubricating the edges of the coin so that it will slide through the die easily.
By pressing the ring down into the reduction die, I can bring it to its final size, and by repeating it on both sides, I can get the fat tire look I want. Now that the ring has reached its final size and has the look I was going for, I can take it to a mandrel on my drill to sand and polish the cut edge. I'll use progressively finer sandpapers, and then finish the edge off with steel wool to polish it and give it a nice shine. I'll use the steel wool to give the entire ring an initial polish. After giving the ring some patina with liver of sulfur, I'll now begin polishing the ring and giving it a final protective coating using a museum-grade wax. And there you have it, a finished and polished ring made from a Morgan silver dollar, ready to ship out to my customer.
Okay, so we took a United States silver Morgan dollar and turned it into this size 13 coin ring. Now you'll notice it's not completely finished. I'm going to, before I wrap this up, I'm going to go upstairs and polish it, sand and detail this edge to give it a nice finished edge, and then I'm going to put a patina finish on this because that's what the customer has asked for. I'll include that in this video, but since I'm down here, this seemed like a good place to do my sign off. I thought I'd do it right here. But that's making a coin ring in a nutshell. It is perfectly legal. It's no different than smashing a penny in one of those machines at the arcades. As long as I'm not altering a coin to defraud somebody, there's absolutely nothing wrong with changing a coin for artistic value. I don't use coins of high dollar value. I don't use rare collectibles. These are very old, but they're plentiful, and there's not really an issue with doing this. You can also do coin rings out of other things. This is an Indian rupee. Here, this is one of my favorites. These are pure silver-proof state coins. This one's Nevada, since my home is Nevada. I make a lot of these. They make great smaller rings. Half dollars, even Reichsmarks, pounds, pesos, you name it, we can make a ring out of it. Anyhow, well, that's it for today. Thank you for tuning in. If you like this episode, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and you click subscribe. And until next time, this is Paul. Be good.